Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course, today we will cover enable disable check in Selenium with examples. So we have opened this Eclipse. I have created two classes. First is this check enabled and disabled class. Here I have three XPaths, you can say IDs I have taken here. Okay, disabled button, enabled button and enabled example input. So I have kept as box ena this. Okay, now I have at the top I have given the webdriver. I initialize it. Okay, now in the constructor I have given page factory dot init elements, so that can be initialized all the locators. Now I have given use four methods. For first is one, click on the enable button. Second one is for click on the disable button. Third and fourth are will return boolean value true or false. First one we are using it to check that the box is enabled or not. Second one we are going to check the box should not be enabled. So explanation mark means not. Okay, the box is not enabled. Same classes is in test. Here we initialize the browser, Chrome, maximize window, implicit weight. Then URL we have given get that title. I have created the object of the check enable disable class. Again calling this method enabled and then disable before click enabled, then box will enable, check enabled I have put, so that true value will come, and check disabled and true value will come. So I have used that. Now I will show you how it works. Like enabled, now we are giving some value. Okay, when I click on disable, this value I am unable to enter the value. Okay, so three IDs I've used. Disabled button ID is coming. Now enable button ID is coming. Now this text enable example input. All the three I have used. Okay, here see enabled, disabled, enable example input. Okay, now we will run this test. So we will get the output in the console and we can look into it. So let's wait. Yeah, Chrome is loading. Chrome is loaded. Now URL is loading. Now URL is, I think, loaded. I think operation is getting performed. Yeah, pass is 1. Okay, so now we will see the title of the page we have printed. Enable is true, disable is true. Okay, so like this we can check enabled or disabled anything. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.